Hey, good afternoon, Bob Trade Genius, the 3rd of April afternoon. I got thought this morning when I was talking about Litecoin and Bitcoin having a bit of a bull flag. They sure came through today, and boy, did the cryptos know that money was going to be coming in. Looks like it was from the yen, and it finally coursed its way into our stock market. And believe it or not, behind me, you can hear it. My dog is snoring, sleeping through my trading, and how dare he? And so we had a beautiful move. This is my biggest position. This is where our buy signal was. And just so you know, a lot of people just throw stuff against the wall, use Elliott wave, and all this other stuff. Is that we created some money flow indicators that seem to keep us on the right side of the trades, get some nice moves. This works on the hourly, it works on the daily, depending on your time frame. Phil trades it sometimes on the 15-minute, so it has some good application across time frames. And it said get long on Easter, and it was 116, and here we got a nice 15% move out of it, and still moving. I have a sell stop on half my position, as I always do. So I have it at 131 right now, and so I can capture. My goal is to constantly be adding coin to the purse, and the only way you can really do it without putting money in is to buy and sell the swings, although I do put money in every Thursday. So I want to show you that, and I want to show you Bitcoin, and then I'm not going to really show you everything else because everything's pretty much macro now everywhere. Bitcoin, beautiful. Here's the bull flag breaking out. Here's the top of the channel. Here was what the buy signal was at 68.60, and everybody was wringing their hands. We had a beautiful reversal here. The signal caught up to the move. The move was faster than the signal. That is typical because pretty much everything is a lagging indicator unless you're just shooting for specific targets or low volume nodes or other Fibonacci targets. So anything you use price or volume, you're going to follow the market, which is okay. The middle 60, you can make a lot of money. Sometimes when you catch a bottom, you catch a top. It's not the bottom nor the top. So I like to drive. When you're going down the highway patrolman is not going to pick you out of a crowd if you're all moving the same speed, right? So same philosophy. Now I'm going to flip over to the other macro side of things. Is that we're about ready to have a reversal on VXX here, and I rolled down from my Friday trade. I kept it yesterday. Was painful today. I got some of it back, not much, but I got some of it back. I'm fighting time. So tomorrow we'll see where it is. I'll probably roll out a week on it unless it really collapses. But I'm definitely looking. I'm looking by Friday. We'll get down to here, and I'm watching my reversals. We're way out of the box here. This is way above even the average price for these things, and these things don't like to stay up, even in the new world of long vol. It's still it's expensive for people to hold the puts, so they'll roll out of them, either close their position or close the puts, and then you'll see this thing come down. And then here's the next thing I want to show you. I'm going to show you Amazon first. Okay, so Amazon, I was laughing because Amazon's the opposite of VXX. The market's a AAA market now. It's all about Amazon. Amazon got that big spike. Let me flip to like a 5-minute chart so I can show you. Is right here, boom. And it changed the whole tenor of the market, and the market ripped into the close from there. And then here's SPY. And let me move back out to the hourly here on SPY. Okay, so we had a reversal signal hit. It hasn't officially moved over, but it pierced it, and that flashed a signal onto my phone. And now I'm looking to buy dips that are short rips. And so now we're looking, and I'm looking for this to get captured, have it run back to VWAP. So anyway, so I want to talk about, I'll get into more stuff later in the week. We have an employment report coming, but I think they're defending the 200-day moving average. It's clear. Trump's not looking for a market crash, and they have a lot of money at their disposal, or credit, I should say, and I think they're going to hold it this time. It's the next failure that's going to matter. That's the one we're going to be watching for. So, let's see how far this cat bounces, and we'll see where it goes. And then the next one we short probably will blow right through the 200-day and start kind of getting things more evened up in terms of, price against other assets. So if you're interested in what we do, you want to get that software, you want to get the signal, TradeGeniusAcademy.com, check it out. Just the trade this weekend would have paid for a whole year of the service. So what we offer is pretty good price and pretty good value in our view. And I think you'll like the team, and you'll like the community, and I know you like making money. So come join us. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.